A lot of students confuse how to do cross multiplication, right? So you have to make sure that the golden rule is left hand side you should have one fraction, and also right hand side you should have one fraction. Say for an example, a over b is equal to c over d. Yes, only one fraction, one fraction. Then you can do this way: ad is equal to bc. Okay, so if there's a plus sign or minus sign, the main problem is if there's a plus sign, or say for an example 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. No, plus sign, or maybe 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3 is equal to 1 over 5. Minus sign, you cannot cross multiply them because they are kind of glued together. They are different terms here, right? They are glued together with plus and minus. So in this situation such as this, say for an example, if you are given a number, something like, I just give you some numbers, right? What is this? 1 over 3 plus 2 over 5 is equal to minus x over 9. Let's do this one. Okay, that's the question. So you have to tackle first left hand side. The main thing we have to convert this one into fraction. So we need to find LCM, right? So LCM is actually 5, 10, 15. So 15. The otherwise is actually, if they don't have common factor, you can simply do adding 2 fraction, 5 plus 6 over 15, right? You can 5 plus over 16 minus x over 9, 11 over 15 minus x over 9. Okay, so now you know that one fraction here, one fraction. Another confusion that how to handle negative sign on the right hand side. Okay, so how do you do that one, right? So there are 2 ways, 3 ways you can do that. You just simply bring the negative sign to the other side. So if you multiply everything by negative, this will become 15. This will become negative to negative, positive, so 9. Okay, you bring it the negative side to this side. Okay, then now it's one fraction, cross multiplication. So minus 99 is equal to 50x. Then you can switch it. Variable usually bring it to the right side, so we are not doing anything, just simply x is equal to minus 99 over 15. You can divide them, right, by 3 or something, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that one too much. Okay, so this is the one you have to do it. So when to do cross multiplication, make sure that you don't have plus or minus. If you have plus or minus, make sure that you make that side is actually one fraction. The same thing goes here on the other side. If you have more than one fraction with glued together with plus and minus, so you have to do it this way. Okay, a lot of people confuse factor term, right? Factor is a kind of in 2 different definitions, right? So factor will be in number sense term, is a slightly different than arithmetic term. Okay, we will look into that one in a different arithmetic 10. Factor in arithmetic 10 usually means a whole number that divides into another whole number. Say for an example, number sense, factor means, so what is a factor of 6? So 1, 6, 2, 3, they are all factors, right? The whole number that divides evenly into another whole number. So these are the factors of 6. Okay, so factors, okay, let me close this one. Factors in, this is number sense term. Oh, how do I do that? In algebraic term, right? So factors is a kind of, it's a role a number is plain. Okay, say for an example 6y, 6 is a kind of multiplied by 5, so 6 is a factor. Yes, 1 over 5x, yes, 1 over 5 is a factor. But 6 plus y, no, they are two different terms glued together with plus. Okay, so factor terms, make sure that factor, even the factor has number sense algebra. Okay,